Etefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. I'm say breaking news as is here air trend ewo Ghana and say security operatives yeah can specifically Ghana Revenue Authority for the counter intelligence team you trying to a friend CIT. One more akọ Reverend Beduko Bifie akọ akosizi ne cars bi. Na assembly ni ya ne say nekra nsama Kennedy Japan edebetu dwa say Reverend Beduko bi ana Prophet Beduko bi cars bi a wo use no cars bi a wentua ho duties na cars no wo de bagana embra na NDC ewa aban mu no akoye nekra enu ho nti na GR4 eko ni fie a omo check cars no document eno mo hu say nekra wontia cars ni duty they yate and they say one of the car the Porsche Panamera no Saka no number plate a bon no fake. We will ask questions as to how will be a imported car about our minimum. Na according to GRA no, because GRA for Ankasa so Akasa Kennedy Japan abo Kennedy Japan so Akasa. Now we will ask questions into how that is even possible. So will be an imported car about Ghana. Na nipa kono wentua duty are still to make clear car na ewo ni fie wo use car no. We'll ask questions into that and then we'll ask some subsequent questions as well. Senior meeting catcher no Kennedy Japan akasa ewa assembly ho. Na me mamoti ase say GRA the Ghana Revenue Authority will be catcher say wo mangasa ene independent search and na wo mokwache Osofo Beduko because na ntro. Because ever since Kennedy Japan edi assembly eba bonten Emma Ghana for who say ni esi no. Ena first people that will take action on that national security for womo de womo ko Beduko bi fie but womo ntumi anche no. Me the assembly eba betu mo nim say Beduko bi ema yeti as national security for ba no they didn't see anything wrong. And so for me it is interesting say the next day Ghana Revenue Authority Emma Wamuhu something wrong. And then the explanation to that, and they say, yes, national security, ABR, their system can't check whether a car, the duty of a car has actually been paid or not. That's the only explanation that will come. Or more, I was a woman check his answer, no, Ghana Revenue Authority, or more, and a Ghana, and more, say, woman check his car, duty, one home car way, intia who duty. Now, according to Honorable Kennedy Japan no wase wono de wo be betina baby aka say wono what time Beduko bi because obi betina baby aka say Kennedy Japan to woma ye kochi Beduko bi ne kasi asisi asem no ya akoda ne criminal issue kra Beduko bi kra ye betumi achi na atum no na Kennedy Japan eden na wonya. Right now that's the question a lot of people are asking. Na de Kennedy Japan can say da bi o ade we ya wo ye enye se wotan Beduko bi o na wono Kennedy Japan de ompe ene se Beduko bi afa President Akufo-Addo se twapia wo sorry e wo se wo preachi nyamesem o kan nyamesem etre ne nkrofo no che se Akufo-Addo atem nkwa no wodi Akufo-Addo atem nkwa no de na it is because say Akufo-Addo ba so no Beduko bi e de car bia ba e wo se wo tia so duty. It wonu Beduko bi ni hu ne say ewiase ayeden ana Ghana ayeden but emra na Mahamate so no na Beduko bi wontua duty it wotoka ni fi abroche bi $10,000 about the bar wontua duty na tese wafa ne trade dim but Akufo-Addo de one penny internet ya Beduko bi wodi Akufo-Addo atem no nti ono Kennedy Japan wase yenye saa na nka Beduko bi etini baby won kasa about Akufo-Addo wo de na nka support Mahama mendi Akufo-Addo atem won kasa about Akufo-Addo anaka ono Kennedy Japan no won nye na adwen se wo kohwehwem nekra. Just like I always told you, Kennedy Japan you be a woden sem ebeto abonten. Some of name sema wode to abonten ye ankasa ye nhwehwemu hu ne se dabi it is not accurate. A lot of examples. Now this particular sema wode aba abonten no based on nsemo Ghana Revenue Authority dey aba abonten any pictures are yehu wo mo tre se wo makosizi Beduko bi cars no e tre se eye nekre. This is a plus for Kennedy Japan say source a wonya asemo e free no a concrete source ono aka saka wose sisi agana for ebo na baso se waya ade se beduko bi wama yakoje ne cars beduko bi sisi aye ba ba chi na to ne nyama wono Kennedy Japan aka wose se wono wama ya nche beduko bi antoma yensesa ne den wose ngofo bebre ebo na baso se waya ade na ono Kennedy Japan wade asedani ni abema nipa ko a wode information e bre no basa nipa ko a wode information e bre no won pese obebo nipa ko ni din yesusu se ebia nipa ko ne ban beduko bi nti wose won pese obebo nipa ko ni din ba Ghana for ede asedani ma no wono de wo hu ne se eyobi eno deserve it because the person brought all the info na ne kra wose wokotena na 2 ene Oman FM issue nsem ebobo list of cars beduko bi enti ahu duty waka se Porsche Panamera na kra no eye fake number plate no wose wakeka ansa nsem no ena chese GRA Ghana Revenue Authority for efre wono Kennedy Japan trend say Ken ya tese wo keka nsem bi say afa beduko bi ho eye ne kra na ena Ken ka se ne kra based on the evidence I have because no videos nia na asama Kennedy Japan eka no ye ne wo say yesua de efrim especially public figures because the information he had, the videos and pictures, wonyaye to the point where otumi trese car bako eye Porsche Panamera no, the number plate is fake no, and it tells a nipa kra wode info ne ba no, chese wo talibeduko bi sei. O tale no papa, and no unti na Kennedy Japan person wo bebo ni din. Because Embra Kennedy Japan edi Nana B info ba se Nana B ekwa koye eye galamsey later ye be hu se enye ne kre no Kennedy Japan came out to state ni pakra what the info ne bre no it is a way one person will be boni pakuni di anatre say the person is very close to Beduko bi now the Kennedy Japan eka and say yentra story no so was say Ghana Revenue Authority for a friend no e bi say ni mu nsem say eye ne kre na no ka say ane and I will share Ghana Revenue Authority for and I the documents na eye den e kire wo mo na wo mo go through the documents na Kennedy Japan kita no mu say eye concrete asem we there we need to take action na mebo Ghana Revenue Authority for abaso we there I'll not say it is political witch hunting because ye ne aye nim say nansen Ghana Revenue Authority mo ni abriye papa whether politics or not wo mu hu ne say uyobi a wontua wo taxes a che say enu ohye a wo no beba ho so no wo mo ni abre na bisusu say new management a wo mu nya no intia no mo yesa yentra story ne so it was see what the document ne tro mo no mo hu documents no go through no mo hu say ne kre asemo a Kennedy Japan na ka no inti no wo mo share date ye be ko ne fie ye pese ye nya information because apparently nipa kwa na wo ma Kennedy Japan info no wono etumi tre say ende wo fie ende wo ni fie mind you asana ne kan nipa ko ne ben Beduko bi inti data wo mo share ye na Kennedy Japan e check with the informants no na informant ne ka say ende wo fie inti mo mbra inti GRA for say wo mo ko no na wo mo frɛ Kennedy Japan ka say Ken ye ko ubedi ye chi ana na ka say me wo boys bi a metumi ama wo mo lead mo akoni fie na me boys no wo mo ewo information ni wo mo betre mo bebi a cars no den ewo na cars ni bi wo de ekosie ewo bebi me boys ni bi o betre mo nti boys no Kennedy Japan boys edi GRA Ghana Revenue Authority fu enim ekọ Beduko bi fie ne kra wo mo ko no wo mo hu cars na yeso the first 4 cars a wo mo hu ye no wo mo hu se cars and the Kennedy Japan boarding say Beduko bi still won't your duty but GRA for the almost system na check his cars so who say with your duty na duty na with you no just within this month and no tua na say na Beduko bi nim say asem yaba into this month and with your cars ni who duty yawa nothing sport e wana GRA for a movie called other cars ni so Lincoln Navigator and a Porsche Panamera no na wo movie call Lincoln Navigator ne Porsche Panamera mu say sa Porsche Panamera ne kan na number plate ne kan ye fake and also duty won tia e na wo movie kan say wo de call GRA for office na the Kennedy Japan according to Kennedy Japan no the work and say more of the cars ne kan no Beduko bi e the cars na kwa kosie e wo the estate mu nti GRA for no ntumi enya more of the cars, but more of the cars na wentua ho duty. And another thing from Kennedy Japan is say afei na beduko bi patrol a na wo pese wo ma GRA for this car bribe na wo mo jai cars no ema no. But GRA for no esan say wo mo so omo ya say abranti anasofo yi send ya wotai Akufo-Addo nim twapia nti no ye ngiska bia na wo mo tia cars na wo mo akọ Ghana Revenue Authority. Mama wati ase say ende Sunday. All these allegations and all these things coming from the Ghana Revenue Authority, because Ghana Revenue Authority is a government organization, Yesusu say nekre and some our moka. Beduko bin so beba abonten Sunday and na wabe abakasa afa ho. We are waiting patiently on that. Etie for ya time chuku. Unche mwaji wa comment box ni mo. Medase.